Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and this I believe is day 5 of my 12 tags of Christmas. And normally I do one and then I show you guys what I've done and then I make the second one. But I think that this one's going to be very easy, so I'm just going to do them both together. And I have this box of cards that I got from Hobby Lobby, and you can find them for 50% off. These are from the Paper Studio. So this box of 48 cards with envelopes, and you get 3 colors, gold, silver, and copper, or maybe it's rose gold, for $11.99. So 12 bucks. So for $6 I got all of them. Super cheap. You would be able to make, I don't know how many out of one. I think I'm going to go for the gold for this particular card. And so I'm going to use one gold card base, but you can see it's an 8.5, or no, yeah, it's, well, let's see. Let me just measure this for us. 8. This is actually a little bit shy of 8.5, about 8.25 by, well, I don't know where my little things are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, good grief. I'm measuring the same thing. 8.25 by about 5.5. So, yeah, it's about a half of an 8.5 by 11. And I am just going to use this to make the tags. So, since I'm going to do 2, I'm going to go ahead. I'm just doing easy tags right now, and I don't know why. This is what's coming to my head. So I'm going to cut these at 2 inches. I like that size, and it fits nicely in my punch, which I think I'm going to use again because why not? And then I think I'm just going to cut this in half. This is 5.5, so 2 3/4 will be in half. And you could make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more of these tags with this one piece of card base. So I'm just going to open my punch, put my page or my paper in, punch it down, and it doesn't matter even what side you put in as long as you get it all the way in there. And you would probably want to write on this one on the back, because I don't think that the front you would be able to write on with a pen very well to be able to see it. And I am going to use my corner rounder to round the edges, and I'm going to do the 1/4 inch round, and I'm going to do them both at the same time because it will cut multiple sheets at once, so I'm just going to let it do the work for me. Then I have these red bows that I got in my stash, and I just thought I'd put them right on it. Ta-da! I mean, seriously, it doesn't get any easier than that, but it's super cute and fun. So I'm just trying to give you guys some ideas on some quick, easy tags. Now, I might get more complicated still. I know I still have a few more, but I'm not really sure. I know the last day has some stamping, and it's a lot more complicated than these, but they're still not hard. They're just stamping and coloring. And so I've already done the last day one. I actually did the last day one before I filmed any of the others. I already had that idea, and I just went crazy with it. So now I'm doing all of the other days, and we'll post those, but goodness, I can't get this off. Now these, I believe, were from the Dollar Tree. So, and it came in, I think, a package of 6. I don't have the package left anymore, and I don't think I have any more of these, but you can find these small bows lots of places. Anywhere that sells bows pretty much anymore has these small ones. I remember the first time I saw them when I was little, I thought they were the coolest thing ever, because I love like miniature things. That's why I have miniature pit bulls. And I have chihuahuas. They're not miniature pit bulls, they're pocket pit bulls, but they're cute. Oh yeah, I don't even think I need any glue. I was going to think maybe I needed to glue them. But that's going to be it. I'm going to put a little bit of ribbon on it. I think I'll use this ribbon. long, maybe that long. And this ribbon, again, I've used in another project, but it is just the really thin ribbon. It's on sale for $1 at Hobby Lobby when their ribbon goes on sale, because it's normally $1.99. They give you lots because it's really thin, but it's really nice to work with. You can make some really cute bows and things with it. I'm just gonna I'm gonna fold it in half, stick the half in the hole, and then pull these like that. I mean, this is about as simple as it gets, but it is really cute, and you could use any colors you wanted to. Silver and blue would be really pretty. Rose gold with green. I mean, anything. You could do all of the colors. I mean, seriously, this was a third of a card to make 2. So that's pretty darn cool. And if you want to, you can even tie this in a little knot. I think I'm going to leave it open like that, though, for these. But there we go. And then I will just write the person's name on the back. Done and done. So I hope you like it. Hope you try it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.